C and D. In previous video, we already learned sound of letter A and B. So, let's start. This is letter C. Sound of letter C is K. Sound of letter C is K. C, K, candle. C, K, cake. C says K. C says K. Now we can make more words from sound of C. For example, C, K, cup. C, K, carrot. C, K, cat. Now we learn sound of letter D. This is letter D. Sound of letter D is dove. Sound of letter D is dove. D, the drum. D, the door. D says dove. D says dove. We can make more words of sound of D. For example, D, the doll. D, the dog. D, the drum. Now we will revise all the sounds of letter from A to B. This is letter A, apple. This is letter B. Sound of B is B. B, balloon. B. This is letter C. Sound of letter C is K. C, K, cat. C, K, cat. This is letter D. Sound of letter D is D. D, duck. Now children, you will revise it and practice it.